caused it all. You started it all. Liar. You started it. You started it.
Careful!
It's not my fault. She started it.
Careful!
You're a liar. My king is not my fault. She started it. She is a liar.
My king, please, I beg you, do not do this.
Shut up! You shut up! She did it. Not me. My husband, I beg you, do not do this.
My king, I beg you, do not do
this. Save yourself for being any dance in my palace. You haven't been able to give me an heir, yet to disturb my life. I give you 6 months. 6 months for you to take in and give me an heir. Else, I will flush you out of this palace.
Don't you dare touch me! It's all your fault. You will regret that.
You will definitely regret it.
So deal. I will deal.
Get me this. Get me. It's all your fault. I'll deal with you. You will see me on the side.
Confused, not knowing what to do, cause things are getting worse every day, no peace, no harmony, I feel like running away, all I need is peace of mind, I just wanna be happy, all I need is peace of mind. I just wanna be happy. Can I get some break? Many things running through my mind. I wish things get normal, but it keep getting worse. Ooh, can I have some peace in my heart? Cause I need to be happy. Oh, I'm confused. Not knowing what to do, cause things are getting worse every day, no peace, no harmony, I feel like running away, all I need is peace of mind.
Where is that two-diamond match? Where is she? Where is she there? Did you hear me? You better start talking now, else I'll blow this hot lips inside of you.
Please don't kill me. She's inside. Please don't kill me.
Get up! Get up! I'm gonna blow you. I'm gonna blow you.
Can someone tell me what the hell is going on here?
So you had the guts. You had the temerity to send the guys to come and take my car. You damn mad. They swear for you. How come now you get guts? Send guys to go and take my car.
You should know by now that you have no right to point a gun at anyone in this compound. You have no right to come in here and rant like someone who is going haywire. This war. Fuck from over.
Open the gate! I'm coming to you. I said open the gate!
What is the matter? What am I dragging? Oh, fighting each other.
Oh no, Your Highness. I am at the end of the tunnel, yet there is no light. Where do I go from here?
Your Highness. Onye ọkụ na-agba bie adachuru oke. He whose house is on fire does not chase a rat. In all my years of existence, I have never come across a canoe without water.
Are you implying that my house is about to be razed down?
To a point of no repair. If you do not tame your wives, because as it stands now, they have resorted to bickering. Other than producing an heir, which is the chief aim of marrying them. And mind you, you have limited time before the people of Buddha come calling for their crown.
Give me the key, I want to drive myself.
The king instructed us to bring you back ourselves.
I said, give me the key, I want to drive myself.
But my queen, the king ordered us to bring you to the palace. That is what they said, my queen.
You know they hear. Who is the queen of this kingdom?
It's you, my queen.
Give me the key, make I drive myself.
But my queen, the king instructed that we should bring you back ourselves. My queen.
The king instructed that you should bring me back yourself.
Yes, my queen.
Yes, my queen. That is what he said. That we should bring you to the palace.
Who is the queen of this kingdom?
You, my
It's
queen.
you, my queen. Yes.
I know they go again.
My queen.
Carry me now.
Please, we can't.
I know
carry
they
you.
go again.
Please.
Carry me. One ibu na ibu ala. Ibu anyi
my
danda. Carry me.
Please, my queen.
Please, my queen, you have to go with us.
Please.
You no one carry me. You no one carry me.
No, my queen.
Please.
My queen.
My queen.
My queen.
Morons. Dullards! You're not trying to tell me that my wife is stronger and more swift than you?
No, my king.
Silence! And don't try to make any dumb excuse for your incompetence. Why did I employ you? Why did I employ you when a small girl can play you around? The instruction was simple. Bring her to me with or without her consent. Now get out of my sight!
My king, how did it go? Did they succeed in bringing her back? My love, speak to me. My king.
Oh, I'm confused. Oh, not knowing what to do. Cause things are getting worse every day. No peace, no harmony. I feel like running away. All I need is peace of mind. I just wanna be happy. All I need is peace of mind.
What happened? Where is my co-wife?
My queen. I wish I have a better answer to that question, my queen. But seriously, the king needs to hire a very strong babysitter for the Queen, Isabella.
Jeku, I understand the pressure her stupidity and stubbornness puts you. But don't be angry. Everything will be fine.
Yes, but thank you.
Get yourself ready in the car. I'll be leaving in the next 30 minutes and you are coming with me. Father, you need to talk to my husband.
My daughter, you know your husband. You know the type of person he is, especially when he is highly annoyed. You both must have gotten on his nerves. Listen, a man who is lost in search of his own identity can never be at ease until he has come to a halt.
Why are you sounding as if I will intentionally pick up a fight with my co-wife? Everybody knows that Isabella is a handful. I am just tired of her antics, Dad.
You can only take the horse to the stream. You can't force the horse to drink from that stream. You are there to bear the king a child, and not to take the king to his early grave. Until you produce an heir for the king, your position in the palace is questioned.
How on earth am I supposed to give the king a child when he hasn't given me one? I am doing my best here. I've done all the necessary tests, the scan, name it. My husband has refused to do any of this. This is not my fault. I am doing all I could.
Are you spewing all this abomination by suggesting that the king is impotent? My daughter, you are a princess and the royalty. All you need is to stay in line. Do you understand?
You're just like the king.
Myself, your father?
Like the king.
Oh, I'm confused. Oh, not knowing what to do. Cause things are getting worse every day. No peace, no harmony. I feel like running away. All I need is peace of mind. I just wanna be happy. All I need is peace of mind. I just wanna be happy. Can I get some break? Many things running through my mind. I wish things get normal, but it keep getting worse. Ooh, can I have some peace in my heart? Cause I need to be happy. Oh, I'm confused. Oh, not knowing what to do. Cause things are getting worse every day. No peace, no harmony. I feel like running away. All I need is peace of mind. Peace of mind. I just wanna be happy. Wanna be happy. All I need is peace of mind. Peace of mind. I just wanna be happy. Wanna be happy. Can I get some break? Many things running through my mind. I wish things get normal, but it keep getting worse. Ooh, can I have some peace in my heart? Cause I need to be happy. I need to be happy. Yeah.
What?
I know how hard it is for you, but I assure you, she's going to come back.
Who says I want her here? I've always wanted a peaceful marriage. And look at it, luck is beginning to favor me.
Forgive me, but may I ask what are your plans?
Regardless of the fact that I love my husband and I want his happiness, I would have done anything not to have her here. Now quit the question and get me some juice. Ladies, we're expecting some royal guests tonight. And I want you all to follow my instructions to the letter. No room for errors. Do you understand? Yes, ma'am. Make sure that the guest rooms are all cleaned and prepared for our guests. Change the bedspreads and the pillows. Those guests are very important to us. Tell the guards to make sure that the security is intact. I repeat, no room for errors.
Yes, ma'am.
You can leave.
Thank you, my friend.
Come here. Jansen, let me show you the stuff I'm made of. Or even my house, anyone. If what I think of here. It's a new piano. Eh? On a sudden, Nebraha. On a Nebraha. Okay, eh? Mamudo, okay. Put your action where your mouth is. Eh? You don't have action. Mua, you have his mouth. Mua. Hey! Ome! Egwe mumado. Egwe mumado. Okay, ina ngwa bia. Maheja ba wo bui. Maheja ba wo. Okay. Mama. Hey. No, ma tu kan do. Mama. What is the problem? I told you are my mother's friend. God forbid. Who wants to sustain friendship with a mad dog like your mother? Yes. Look at Mama. Please, come and start going. You guys will meet another time and continue. For now, start going. Please, so that peace will reign here. Please, go, Mama. If you go, Mama, I may carry over. Anywhere we see, we'll continue it. Just go carry over. I don't carry over.
Eh? Bob and Megan. Oliado. And warn her if she eventually crosses my path tomorrow. The kind of blows I will release to you will render you toothless all your life. You think I'm joking? You think I'm joking? You think I have time with you? You think I have time for mother? You don't know.
Oh, thank you. We are back in Abba.
I just manage you. I'm just managing you. Our friendship. Now I am.
Thank you.
I do not understand you, no. Your Highness, it is wrong to let your wife, your pride, out in the world. 2 weeks now, and yet she is not home. I know she hurts you according to her custom. Princess Isabella shouldn't be amongst the ordinary people.
I've heard you. I will give it a thought and get back to you.
Thank you.
Meanwhile, how is the road construction going along Eke Market Road?
Oh, it's going very well.
Good.
The contractors are very, very fast. And I believe within 2 months, the road will be done.
Excellent. Excellent.
Igwe.
I tell you, for just collect 1 or 2 small things for that man hand now. Mute dey. Not say we dey street normally now. Suppose if at all.
Okute, how many times I don't call you? Answer me, my guy. How many times I don't call you?
3 times.
How many times I don't tell you, say, this chicken money, this peanut, so you dey collect here and there, say you go land you for trouble. How many times I don't tell you?
Now trouble you dey fear. Sure? Now today now start today back. You get any kind of trouble now, we go come and be like, say, you know, we feel stand for you.
Ta, mafia.
You don't understand.
Ragamuffin.
I like for you.
My guy. Hey, calm down there. The thing they worry you.
I'm on you.
Masibina, I dey go back to the palace. I cannot stay here and allow that stupid girl take what God just designed for me. I mean, the king marry first. I am the original wife of the king. So it's time I stand my ground. One never go enter there on a full voltage. Anybody will put body, they go collect. They feel me, ta their father.
But make I see that. You know, see legit. Now.
What's the try
You know, say normally supposed get steeze and composure. Until say you supposed come beg you, make you too shine. If you go beg your steeze don't go zero now. You know you can't get composure. But it don't make sense now. Check and balance now. I go lie for you. No man. Naim. Sure you get.
Oh, I'm confused. Oh, not knowing what to do. Cause things are getting worse every day. No peace, no harmony. I feel like running away. All I need is peace of mind. I just wanna be happy. All I need is peace of mind.
Guards!
I just wanna be happy.
Isabella!
Can I get some break? Many things running through my mind. I wish things get normal, but it keep getting worse. Ooh, can I have some peace in my heart? Cause I need to be happy. Oh, I'm confused. Oh, not knowing what to do. Cause things are getting worse every day. No peace, no harmony. I feel like running away. All I need is peace of mind. Peace of mind. I just wanna be happy. Wanna be happy. All I need is peace of mind. Peace of mind.
No. We need to talk. Yes. Right.
Mama. No. I hope you enjoy your food. Go.
Easy, go. I can't change the mama.
I can't see. Hey, just that the cow meat I wanted to buy. It's like the economy itself affected the cows. If you can say no,
I enjoyed it. Mama, I've really missed your food though.
I coach you.
I'm back again change the
I coach you. Don't take water. Hey,
Mama.
Thank God. Thank God you are back. Thank God. I am really happy that you are back. Just that you left me and went for army.
Mama, Ozugo, Ozugo. I'm here now. I'm here now.
So from one more, the army. Who's KK Semenka?
Mama.
She has simply chosen to be stubborn alone.
Your Highness, maybe there can be another way to bring her back home.
What other way? What other way when I gave her everything? I gave her a life. I gave her the power to rule her world. What does she do? She turned around and spat it right back on my face.
Do you think she has a reason for her actions?
What reason would she have when I gave her everything? I gave her something to look up to, a life to be happy with. And now she wants to destroy it all.
Your Highness, but if I may suggest, even though I don't know how you may feel, but let me just say it. Why don't you use the unorthodox way? No, just for good.
What do you mean, unorthodox way? No,
Your Highness.
Are you suggesting what? Are you trying to say that? Oh no.
No, don't go that side.
I just wanna be happy. Can I get some break? Many things run into my mind. I wish things get normal, but it keep getting worse. Ooh, can I have some peace in my heart? 'Cause I need to be happy. Oh, I'm confused. Oh.
What is wrong with you? I've been trying to reach you.
Reach me for everything. Are alive?
Things are getting worse.
What does it want?
Oh, shut up, you fool. He wants you home.
Well, for your information, I'm home. So stop disturbing me. And tell him to stop disturbing me.
Isabella.
Wanna be happy. All I need is peace of mind. Peace of mind. I just wanna be happy. Wanna be happy. Can I get some break? Many things run into my mind. I wish.
You don't do that here. You're gonna do that for you. So what can do that? Stop seeing like this. You're watching your body. Yes.
We don't hear you so boo. It's been long I love this hard. Don't they go?
I miss those days. I really miss those days.
And what they like about?
Maybe yeah, you will not understand. Okay. No. Maybe yeah, what? Emma got oh, Bana, do the truth is that it doesn't lead to the end. What can we do?
Mom is not getting me.
I promise you, you know.
I was going to see mom. Me. Look why I say not on able Mamonia.
Me said my only son to Anne. I don't know.
Mama, I was going to see mom. Mama, I got to the man. I got to go on.
Mama,
we have visitors.
Greetings, everyone.
Greetings.
Mama, we're looking for Utoye Olisa. Hope he's around.
And who cares to know?
We come in the name of His Royal Highness, King Francis Egenti. He requests for your presence in the palace.
Is it good for us? He said.
He requests for his presence in the palace.
I did not do it.
He's not going with you.
And what is the problem?
I don't know, sir. I think when you come with us, you know what the problem is.
No, you're not going anywhere. Come with you, Lebe. Come with you, Lebe.
To the palace, of course.
Mama, it's okay. I'm just free go. I'm not him. I did not do anything, so I'm not afraid. You know? I'm so bad. No. I'm just come and let me get my things.
Alright, we'll be waiting.
Robin, what is it? Eh? Go to the palace, go and tell Igbo that my son is not around.
Oh, did you see him? Did you see him? People should go now, he's not around. Did you see him?
Ah, Mama, but that's your son now.
He's not my son.
Hey, Mama, why are you lying now?
Working here in my own house. Why will you search in my own house in Akwala? But I said he's not my son. Are you the father of my son? He's not my son. Go and tell the king that my son is not around. He's not at home. That he met his friend that came to visit.
Mama, you are lying now.
Mua, lying in my house in Akwala.
Mama, how do I think I'm lying in my own house? Then I'm back.
Una? One? Una?
Mama, in Akwala. With all due respect, you are waiting for me. The king asked for it. If you're with all due respect, you are still waiting for me in my own house, and I'm telling my son is not around.
Okay, Molomia.
Mama, I'm not respecting you. Mama,
I know you talk to my own
the
house.
king said on an errand, you are here chasing her. What's the
Mama, I know
what has not blessed
your
leg. Mama, go. Mama, I'm respecting you. Go. I'm respecting you.
What are you doing here? Let him bring you come like around. Huh?
Isabella, come on, girl. I am not that heartless not to look out for my co-wife.
Point of correction, you are heartless. Because if you're one no figure heart. And then you call me your co-wife. As for waiting.
That's what you are. Young lady, I've come to take you home.
You know if you whine me, even if you whine me, I know if you panic.
For yeah, now.
You have come to mark my territory. You won't know how I take B.
You won't check me.
So that you gonna know your next step. But I tell you today, I am 10,000 steps ahead of you. I can smell your treachery.
Amen.
It hovers like an aura around you, but I promise you, baby, you will fail.
Isabella, if this is what you call territory, then I am so sorry for you. Get into the car because whatever happens next, I won't be blamed.
But I promise you, you will lose.
I never lose. Your visit to your father's house is over.
As for who?
It's time to go home, girl.
Says who?
Says the queen.
Come out there. What you want? You go into my cabin, you go to yarn any idea. Then swear for you. Who you be, who your papa be. Let's they worry you. They enter my place, you go to stop anyhow. Crazy. What they worry you?
You won't check me.
One now boy I give him now by blue film, by plasma, by a seed.
What
they worry you?
Isabella, when you're done dancing around me, get into the car, let's go.
Who you be? What did they do?
Commander.
And they crazy. What did they worry you?
Beaucoup fier.
Like I said, Isabella, you know, I gently told you that if you don't get yourself to the car, I won't be blamed for whatever happens next. Please, make an intelligent decision. Guys, you know what to do.
I find a message.
Move! Move! What? Move!
Okay, touch me! You touch me now, go blow you. What's in the worry you now? I'm you. What's in the worry you?
Move!
I tell you something. Move! Come down here now. What's in the worry you now? You don't know who I be. You know who I be. You're touching the queen of this kingdom. Hey! It's alright. It's alright. The queen of this kingdom.
For this place. For this place. Move! After this, move! Oh yeah. See.
Greetings, my queen. Go and cut Tessie. You two should set the table for lunch. I don't think she's in a good mood. Hurry!
John!
Yes, my queen.
I do not want to be disturbed.
Yes, my queen.
What is the matter? What is the matter? 'Cause everyone is fighting. Fighting for the throne.
Damn it!
Everyone is fighting. Fighting.
That wretch. Why can't I just come with a plan and live life out of her?
Just to be at the top.
The lost sheep. You have decided to come back without any prior notice.
I had no intention, considering the fact that you've lost all form of love towards me.
I will ignore your utterances and play blind to all of your antics. Have you finally come to your senses?
If only your highness will allow me feel his warm embrace. There are matters way. What are you looking at? Get out! I said, get out!
Mudoye, what happened? This one you are walking like somebody who missed her road. Nenumo, the palace guards, they came to take my son. Why? For what? What did he do? Amaram, I don't know. I don't know. Ayuko, my only son. Why are this? My only son. I don't know what to do.
It's okay. Calm down, eh? Just follow me. Let's go.
I learned you're a soldier.
Greetings, Your Highness.
You have not answered my question.
I quit the army, Your Highness.
I bet you have a good reason for that. Anyways, I want you to go on a quest for me.
What kind of quest is that?
I want to tame my wives.
Your wives? But you can easily do that, Your Majesty.
That's the problem. It's beyond what you see. It's complicated. I know everybody thinks I'm the king, therefore I have the power and control over my family. After all, what's the offer doing in my custody? But this time around, what is bigger than the cricket has entered its hole.
So what's in there for me?
Father, you have no idea trying to live with this much. Daddy is so exhausting. I'm tired. What would you have me do? I'm doing my best here. Father, can I go and talk, please? Yes, wonderful. Are you sure about this? Yes, Mommy. I do feel sure. I need you to repeat everything about this young man. Give it to me first. King Francis, what exactly is the plan of this marriage?
don't want to come again. This is the palace.
One of the reasons we should make sure if your son is inside there.
Yes. The guards came to take him themselves.
So, why are you afraid? Let's...
Ha! Come on, drop there.
Who is that?
Why you walk?
Are you lost?
No, not I'm so sorry if I spoke.
I'm doing my duty.
I think we should do at your service. I think I have to take my leave. I'm sorry if I inconvenience you in any way. See you.
And they may be very close to us now.
Come. Me, I will not stand here. I'm tired. I'm on fire. Hey! I'm not running.
Come, let's go. Leave me alone. Okay. I'm tired. I cannot run again. They're taking my son. I cannot die. I will not die. And the man who did I come to this work with you? Did I come to this work with you? Okay, leave me now. They've taken my son up, yeah? Happen because that's weekend. I should go. Go. It's a lie. We continue this race together. Mamma. We will finish it together. Mamma. I will pull you by force.
Mama, okay.
I look stupid now, okay?
Mama, no. I'm not laughing at you, Mama. I'm just trying to imagine how both of you will look like running with your tails in between your legs, Mama.
You're running mad.
Mama, no.
Laugh at me. No. Oh, you're right. Laugh at me.
No, I'm okay.
Laugh at me. What's your problem now? See, I cannot tell you what to do or what. I'm still your mother. What do you see? Queen Isabella. Everybody knows her as a criminal associated with the Agbo in this community. So why will you go and put her there? Can you not get back?
Mama. Apple accelerate. Everybody knows. In the village, everybody knows. Mama, calm one down. You have to get to know this girl before you make any conclusions. People say. Apple accelerate. Hey, Mama. Please, you are better than this now.
I've said my own. Moa, it make you go my own point. I know what it took me to get you out of the army. Now you are back. You are not going for another quest. Onyeku, who says who?
Mama.
Ha!
Mama. His Highness has already offered me something very huge. Mama, only an offer that we cannot say no to. Diego, big people, rich people cannot even say no to this offer, Mama. Mama, it will change our lives. Imagine us, see where we're staying. See our lives, Mama. It doesn't change, everything still remains the same. Eh? Mama Biko, I don't know what you want to do or whatever you want to say, you say. I've already said yes to your Highness.
No problem. Before you go, Biko, buy coffee and keep it here. Yes, and keep money for my area. Because me, I will not be alive. I'll watch my only son go on that quest. On my neck.
Mama, stop talking like this.
Stop talking like what? Do you know what it means to have an only son?
Mama, for God's sake, please, calm down, Mama. This is a lifetime opportunity. This is something that will change our lives forever, Mama. Mama Biko, try to find a way to accommodate this. I will have to do it. So he in try to understand that this is a lifetime opportunity and I will not say no to it. Look at poor from this village, Mama Onyame. Mama.
You must be Udoye, right? Ah, come on, don't look too surprised. I've heard so much about you.
And who are you?
That's a dumb question to ask. Well, let me cut to the chase. You will not go on the king's quest.
And why will I do that?
I am your queen and leader. I give the instructions and you follow. Do you understand that?
Well, the queen, your leader, may I remind you that you are in my father's compound. And as long as you are here, you are a subordinate. I am the king. I am the emperor. And I am the general of this abode. I don't take orders from strangers or subordinates. I take orders only from my queen here, and not you or anyone else. I think this is the time for you to take your leave, queen.
Udoye. 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 I'm not going back home. 3 times. See me. I don't have strength to. I cannot fight the royal family. I don't have strength. I don't. Did you see how mean that woman's face was? And how determined she is to hurt you? Udoye, there is danger. There is danger.
Mama, I laugh in the face of danger.
Not when a woman sets trap for you. Woman danger.
Leave that one, Mama. I'll be fine.
You'll be fine.
I will take care of myself, Mama.
You will take care of yourself. I can make you Udoye.
Mama.
What is your problem?
Mama, I'm a soldier. What do you think I will face there that is more than what I face in Sambisa Forest? Mama, calm down. I'll be fine.
Udoye, you are a soldier to them. To me, you are still that little boy. Udoye, what is your problem? I am your mother. I have the right to tell you what to do. You can't tell me what to do. I am still your mother. Udoye!
Nem, Biko Butu. Okay? Butu, there is no cause for alarm. Don't worry, I'll be fine, Mama. Let me do. I'm late already. Huh? Hey, Mama, Biko, how about those clothes that you wash for? The choir na wear than a change. Please, so that Camille Alemwe, Biko onem.
They are in my room.
Dalo rin nemo. Dalo. Ibawapo imo idobe munka. Keep them for me so that the rain will not beat it. Let me run along. I'll be fine, Mama. No need for that face. Eh? Mama unyame. Mommy. Nema, I'll be fine. Okay. Don't worry. No, unyame. Biko basa niru gino. Basa, relax. Nothing will happen. Relax.
Obi, do I matter to you?
You don't even have to ask that, Obi. You know that you matter a lot. Eh? Why will you even ask that? Listen, the king sent me on a quest, and I cannot say no to that. Please do understand.
But he has his guards. They should be enough to take care of his queens.
My dear, he has his guards, but he chose me. There is a reason why he did that. Huh? Please allow me. Okay. Listen, the king's quest is all that matters right now. Eh?
Obi, love is all that matters.
Obi, I know, I understand you. I understand where you're coming from. But I have to go. I'm so sorry. Huh?
Why have you chosen today to quarrel? May I know the cause of this fight on the day I'm expecting visitors and people to come here for meeting?
My king, I am so pissed. I am so pissed. I made a special meal for you. I asked the maidens to get the dining ready, only for me to be told that this fool asked them to trash it. Can you imagine? My own food.
Isabella, how evil do you get by the day?
My king, I am your wife.
And I don't know how you think I am capable of such evil. Actually, what happened is that I woke up late actually, so I got to the dining. And then I saw the food there had this stench smell. And not just that, and also a very tiny cockroach crawling very close to your food.
What? In my own food, a cockroach?
Yes, my darling, in your food. My king, I had to save all the stress by trashing the food and save you, my husband.
But you could have told her what you observed. You could have told her. Why didn't you draw her attention to that instead of trashing her food and making it seem like... Do you know what that means? You both are giving me so much headache in this palace, it's beginning to get to my nerves. If you're not careful, I'm going to take another one so that all this rubbish will stop. What is this? In fact, just go on with your troubles.
I will make sure you don't play.
And don't raise your voice because I'm expecting visitors. Follow her and leave my... I know what to do. I'm going to marry another one so that your head will be changed.
Hey! Imambu. Hey! Atokwanum. What happened to Udoye? He has finally gone. Udoye has gone. Gone where? Hey! Oh, Chineke! God, why? The only Ijeko n'obodo a, Chineke, ọnwụ obi ajọ gị ya, ọnwụ. Ndị obodo bịakwanụ n'alụ eme na yo. You told me your son died, that is why I'm crying. Hey! Who's crying? Was I crying? Did you tell me? Did you tell it in my eyes? Is it now I was crying? I said my son has gone. I was saying he died. You said he's gone. Gone. It don't know English. I said gone. Gone the two types. Ewe and gone left.
So now what?
No. God forbid my son will not die. Hey! He's very stupid. He did not die. You are here shedding tears, calling his name as if he's dead. So what do you want me to believe? Hey, you are senseless. Why did you come to my house? Is it because I come to your house? I don't blame you. Why won't you come? Because you are hungry. That's why you came. I am hungry. Yes, I am. When last did you give me food? Hey, I remember the other day when I came, you were crying. I was consoling you. You forgot to give me common water. And now you are saying you are feeding me. The other day I gave you rice. See? So when the booze or the baby, I think so when the booze or the baby now.
When did you decide that, my king? No, you have to talk to me. When did you start keeping things to yourself?
When I realized that both of you were becoming a thorn in my flesh. is resuming work tomorrow.
We are not kids, Your Majesty, that requires guiding.
On the contrary, you are toddlers. And I will not sit back and watch you turn my household into a war zone and an object of mockery by the villagers. So be my guest.
We shall see about that.
Fact, I know they go anywhere. I know they go anywhere. Go back and tell the king that I said I'm not going anywhere. Can I just wake up and be sending people to come and bundle me? Am I a bag of rice? Tell him I am going nowhere.
My queen, you should be happy that you have a husband that loves you so much and cares so much about your safety.
He can shove his love off his ass. I don't care. I go nowhere.
My queen, I'm not your messenger boy, so I cannot deliver that. Besides, I answer only to the king. Let's go.
Care. I go nowhere with you. They feel me. I go nowhere.
My queen, I don't want to use force on you. Please.
Try me.
My queen.
Ah! Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
My queen, my queen, my queen. My queen.
Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
Yes. Because I do not trust the royal family. You see, this is why I always have problems with you. Udoye, your son, is no longer a kid. He's old enough to take care of himself. The Udoye you're talking about is my son. And no, he cannot take care of himself. Yes, I see no reason why he will go on a quest without thinking of the dangers ahead. You and I know that Isabella, Princess Isabella, is the black sheep of the palace. And you know that. So, why are you ignoring yourself?
Not our queen. It looks like how. But why is she dressed like this?
Aburu Park.
Like
Aburu Park.
Hey!
Then look at Queen is dress. Honestly, who must say? Hey! Hey! Queen, oh bye.
You see my hand and say like this.
Hey, also you like this. Also the move. Hey, Queen, why you want? Hey, Queen, nice.
Greetings, our queen.
Why you someone? Hey, Queen. Stand in front. I will wash your face.
Hey! They face me, make I see you. That's when I talk just now, why I pass?
You say anything? No, Queen. If I could, Queen will someone. Queen of Manari, Queen, I can now. Queen, Queen of someone. Oh, you're young. Queen of one.
Queen.
I dey ask again. Wetin una talk as I just pass? Wetin una yarn?
We only said our queen is very beautiful.
Queen wears swag.
Queen is very beautiful.
Very.
Queen wears swag.
Very.
Hey.
I dey come. What you talk just? Say your head. What you talk just now? Dey talk am. Na say the big cooking I be dey talk am. You can dey sing about song. Dey sing about song. Dey sing am. I dey dance am. 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 Dance very well. Hey! Dance very well. Dance. I said dance very well. Hey! Dance very well. Dance am now. Hey! Down.
Why massage my leg. My legs are paining me. Massage my legs.
I should massage your leg.
Massage, go there.
Are you
massage
okay? Will you take your hands off me? Massage your leg. You were giving the same beating like me, and you want me to massage you. Who will massage mine?
You see that small girl? That guy want an atom of respect for elders. Mo, a whole new door here. She flogged me, both of us. That guy shall never be well with her. You see that girl? I will revenge. Hey.
You will revenge what? Do you see the way that girl flogged us like little children, commanding us to be dancing? My God.
On cap of what? And me, dance for that kind of smoke. Oh,
this is a humiliation of the highest order. Hey!
Why what? You see this girl? You see that? Makachi, she will not go scot-free. She will not go scot-free. I will know what to do. I must do something. It won't me. Do you know my son is older than that girl? Udoye is older than that girl.
I know. Even my own children are older than her. So you said you will revenge, eh?
Makachuka will revenge. Yeah, I know what to do. But before then, massage go up. Massage now.
I told you before, it seems like you've been mad before.
You have no use to me. Is you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, I know what to do. You see that girl, we will go report her to the women's meeting. Yes, I have a plan. It's a very big plan. We will report her and we will know what to do and they will find her.
Count me out because they said affliction will never come back the second time. I am out. Don't even remember I exist.
I thought you have morale.
But this one,
Don't worry, we'll go to women's meeting, know what to do. To work, don't worry. I have a plan, a very big plan. When we get to the women's meeting, we'll report her and they will find her. Check it.
Okay now.
Must you remind me of that nightmare? You see the reason why I do not want her to cross paths with my son.
Change of topic, people. Your son is a man and a soldier at that.
He's a former soldier. And the son you're talking about is my only son. Jeez, Robo. Eh? Biko. Anyway, you know what? Just calm down. Eh? Let's take it to mean that he's earning a living by doing a work there. At least that will justify his reason for quitting his army work. Or else the villagers will be clamoring that he came back because he's not man enough to continue in the army work. What kind of talk is that one? But that is what it means. Are you okay? On game with the okay. Eh? Ask him on game with the okay. What do you mean by that? My son and ask him on game with the okay. Says were you there? Were you there? Why did he come back? Why must he quit? Ona, ya bulum punam. Ona, ask him about that. Ask him about that. I will strangle you. I will bite you. I will bite you. Now, you think I don't have go to your house?
I was wondering who was hitting at the gate in that manner. I hope everything is okay.
Igwe, your wife Isabella has bitten more than she can chew. Yes!
Isabella.
Igwe, she has no respect for the others in this community. Igwe, on behalf of the Women Council, we have come so that she will face her consequences. Igwe, all the konange next force. And we, the women, have already imposed a fine on her. 2 ababa live goats. Then 3 ababa chicken. And 6 tubers of yam on the ababa. Bam! With that is the fine. Yes. If not,
come back and report me to my husband, you coward! Come back! Come back, you coward! Sundala! Come back! Idiala! Your Highness, my husband,
Isabella.
Sir, your Highness.
You have constantly been a thorn in my flesh. But I will put an end to that today. Udoye!
Your Majesty.
Make sure she doesn't see daylight henceforth until I decree otherwise.
What? Yes, Your Majesty.
Your Highness, actually, your Highness, you don't know. Your Highness, please.
The gun, please.
Your Highness, you can't do this to me.
The gun, please. Give me the gun! Give it to me.
Your Highness,
Inside.
Your Highness, I was trying to...
Move it, Queen.
Udoye, please, try to understand. You understand these things now. You handle God,
Move it.
See, let me explain to you, man to man.
Move it, my Queen.
Guy. Do you understand the God, the Spirit of God?
I don't want to use force.
No.
Move it now.
I'm trying to explain. I didn't even want to use it. I don't know how the thing just got to my hand and then they provoked me and then I shoot. I didn't even want to shoot. Please try and understand me, man to man. Guy to guy.
Please, inside.
Now calm down. Listen.
Move it, my Queen! Now!
You will still calm down. See, this is husband and wife matter. Don't interfere. Don't worry. I can handle my husband. I know my husband more than you. You can't know my husband now. That's what I'm trying to explain to you. So calm down. Calm down.
My Queen, can you move it now?
Hold it there!
Listen, I don't care who you are or who sent you, but this is against my fundamental right to freedom. Let me loose.
I won't do that. I've heard about your tendency of escaping, and that makes me wonder why the king will marry someone like you.
That is none of your business. Let me loose.
It's not happening.
Okay, fine.
I want to ease myself, so let me loose.
It's not happening, my queen.
Are you stupid? I just said I want to ease myself. Do you want me to mess myself up there?
Listen, instead of trying to make me disregard you even more, or trying to be a thorn on everyone's flesh, why don't you respect your husband for once?
Like I said, that's none of your business. Let me loose.
My queen, I'm sorry, but that's not happening.
That's not happening? You want to see what I can do? You really want to see what I can do? Come back! I thought you said it not happening. Come back and let me lose, you bastard! Let me lose, you bastard!
Is it not best I utilize this opportunity and have this guy all to myself? Yes. But this is going to be a whole lot of mess for me. The point is to get pregnant for the king. That's the basic aim. As long as I achieve my purpose, this is what I have to do. This is what I have to do.
How are you doing today?
Great, my king.
I hope my wives are not giving you issues.
No, not at all, my king. Women are hard not to crack, but your wish will be achieved.
I don't need to ask. I know a man of your status should have a woman you love.
My king, love is not for the weak. But nevertheless, I tend to fall one day. I tend to fall with the right woman one day. But that doesn't exempt the fact that there is a woman.
I know.
Oh, I'm confused. Oh, not knowing what to do. Cause things are getting worse every day. No peace, no harmony. I feel like running away. All I need is peace of mind. I just wanna be happy. All I need is peace of mind. I just wanna be happy. Can I get some break? Many things running through my mind. I wish things get normal, but it keep getting worse. Ooh, can I have some peace in my heart? Cause I need to be happy. Oh, I'm confused. Oh, not knowing what to do. Cause things are getting worse every day.
Is there a problem out there?
I need you to wait here. I'll be back.
My queen, this is the middle of nowhere. And as the person responsible for your safety, it's not safe to go here without me. The king will have my head on a platter if anything should happen to you, my queen.
And I will have your head on a stick if you don't shallow that tongue of yours and do what I ask you to do. I said wait.
My queen. My queen.
What will be, will be. What will be, will be. I dare to Anika. I dare to Anika. What will be, will be. What will be. I dare to Anika. What is the matter? What am I dragging? Oh, fighting each other. That's to be at the top.
I am here.
Welcome, Your Majesty.
Take me out of here.
What is the matter? What am I dragging? Oh, fighting each other. That's to be at the top. And who?
Your Highness. Your Highness, your time is up. We need to go now. Where's this lady? What's keeping her? What's this? Your Highness. Your Highness.
The great eyes of the gods.
Ah, greetings, Your Majesty. It is an honor to welcome you.
When will you ever stop being official with me? Agunabo, we've come a long way.
Yes.
Our friendship didn't just start today.
Yes. But now, you're a revered queen, and I'm still Agunabo, eyes of our quarter of the rising sun. You're welcome, my queen.
Thank you. Now we need to get to business because I have no time to spare.
Okay. Just a minute, my queen. A minute.
I shall wait.
Oh, I'm confused. Oh, not knowing what to do. Cause things are getting worse every day. No peace, no harmony.
There are no bag. Why not try her mobile phone?
I will do no such thing. We had an agreement to go somewhere together. Now she's nowhere to be found.
My king, I have something important to discuss with you.
What is it?
I have a feeling the queen is unhappy. For days now, I notice her withdraw and sometimes murmur to herself.
She's a woman. That's peculiar to your nagging. Don't worry, she'll come around. Okay? Go tell Jeku to come prepare the car. I'm running late.
Who do we have here? Who believe?
Thank God, say God carry you come here. Say you as you don't come our cabal like this now. You see that money? Where they hold us for that work where we go do for you. We trust you, say, as who you be. You come for up. As it be now, we go teach you for up. You see that money? You go deliver them.
Calm down. I know say they own. I go pay una definitely. Now I go find way pay you. Calm down.
Wait, come on, stand there. Where you go? Wait, go. Come on. You know what they vex me? They go they talk to you, go they speak English. You know they see my trouser, I get bet. I dey wear bet. Who they speak English for? I go school now. Come on, don't try to.
Guys.
See what's our money?
Listen. If you can just step away, let me pass peacefully. I promise I will send you your money.
No.
How much is it? I will send it.
Send it now.
Yeah, man.
Don't touch me. Don't.
Your face! Make I see your face!
You have to let her go.
Okay! Now you be the demon. Wait there for him back. Abi? Oh yeah, now we go. Hey!
Oh, this guy again.
You! Hey! You! Hey! You! Hey!
Leave me. I can walk actually.
Queen, please, can you move it?
Don't just leave me. Leave me. I can walk. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
What is wrong with you, my queen?
I should be asking you that. What is
Here
wrong
is your
with
bill. You discarded it for whatsoever reason you did. What is wrong with you?
Adam, will you give me that? You're asking me what is wrong with me. I should be asking you that. What is wrong with you? Just leave me alone. Why are you following me?
You should shut up and listen to reason.
I am not listening to anything you're saying to me. Do you understand? My husband has always wanted to control my life. And it got worse the moment I realized that he preferred that witch over me. He doesn't care about me. He doesn't love me. That is why I want you. My whole body yearns for you. I care about you. I want to have something with you. You know, it took me a lot to say this to you, but that's just the truth. My husband doesn't care about me. He only wants me for his own selfish interest. All he cares about is himself, his throne, and no one else. I feel so all alone on this earth. Please. Just feel the space. I really...
But my queen, are you not here for your own selfish interests? You know, I had to leave my mother to join the army after the sorrows around my father's death. My queen, there are people that yearn to be where you are right now. Opportunities like this doesn't come easy. I mean, you should be grateful, my queen. Please, let's go. Get in, let's go. Please, my queen. Come.
Oh, this is really nice. I mean, this is the best fruit I've had in a while.
Really?
Yeah.
Anyway, they say fruit has a good way of relaxing the nerves.
You're right. I mean, it's healthy and delicious. You know, back in the days, they used to serve us fruit as dessert. And then I was not really keen on eating it. Maybe because of the way they used to slice it and all that. So, tell me about your days in the army.
You don't want to know, my queen. Anyways, the king has lifted your ban.
Really?
Yeah. Brace yourself, my queen. I have to take my leave now.
Where have you been all day? Alanchi went out with Rachel. Does she want the both of you to start why you reject me?
My queen, I only concern myself with the things that matters most to me, and not other people's business. Please, I have to take my leave now. My queen, are you okay?
I felt some kind of, like a kind of aura.
An aura?
Yes, I remember the last time I felt like this was When my mother died.
My queen, I think I need to take my leave before the king finds me here.
No, please don't go. I'm scared. Can you stay with me a while?
Of course.
Can I lie close to you?
Come.
Your Highness, please just calm down.
Yes.
I have seen it.
Isabella, I said you have no right whatsoever. Oh, I have every right, and I will not coward to childish intimidation.
You have no right, and I will say it again.
And I have every right, and I will say
Will both of you keep quiet? What's your problem? Don't you have respect for His Majesty?
Say that to this low life. A fool whose father sold the only piece of land he has just to pay a debt she incurred.
Oh, please shut up. You are a self-serving lying queen and a soured glass of lemonade.
Will you not shut up? I have just lost my factory to a fire incident. And instead of you to put heads together with me to find a solution, you're here quarreling like market women. Shut up and get out!
I swear to God, Isabella, I will put you in
I
your
said
place.
get out!
I know the fire incident.
I will put you in your place.
I know it was your fault. I know you caused it to happen. I know.
Come. What is happening there?
Princess Isabella and our queen.
Abi?
Yes, so. I don't know. I don't even care. But I trust Princess Isabella is going to deal with them.
Hope you both already finished with your duties before your annoying gossips.
You tramp of a princess. I know why you returned. You've come to rub off your bad energy on the family. The curse you came along with you is obviously manifested.
I've become a cherry one again. Which curse? Enough of this nonsense.
It is not enough. The only reason you are still here is because you have royal blood in you. Else you will be charged for treachery.
Oh, shut up. Who will charge me?
I will charge.
You will do no such
Watch
thing.
me do.
You are a little piece of shit.
Watch
me.
Your Highness, please, you have to take a stand before it becomes too late.
How do I? We forgot Mom Billy and Noah.
I said, shift.
Do your worst. I dare you.
In all of my existence in this life, I've never seen women as stupid, senseless, and lacking of intuition like both of you. What is wrong with you? I gave you ultimatum to take in 6 months. This is the 4th month. Yes, there's not been as much as a miscarriage. And you have the guts to stand by my window and disturb my brains? How did I get entangled with this ragamuffin? I'll make you pay for this. Go on your knees. Jefu!
Yes, my king.
Get me my whip.
My king, I beg you, I am your wife. You can't do this to me again.
Go on your knees, I said.
My king, not again.
If by the time he arrives here you haven't gone on your knees, your punishment will double.
No, me, my king. She should be whipped. She should be whipped. Shut up and
Shut up! You shut up, it's all your fault. It's all your fault. You did this. You should be whipped.
You rant a lot.
Oh, you are.
Shut up! You will remain here from dusk till dawn, until the cock crows.
My king! My husband!
Oh, shut up! Shut up! It's your fault.
You are a devil!
Oh, you are.
You are putting me through.
You are the evil person.
And I will deal with
you. Shut up! You can do nothing. You can do no shit.
Your Majesty, Dimoma, Odogun Jemono, Odogun Jafuzo. I and my co-wife have come with this little gift to apologize for everything that we've done. all the whole embarrassment, the pains, the trauma. My husband, please, I beg you to forgive us. Give us the chance to make things right.
Which one is my husband? It's our husband. And if you're not ready to humbly say that and apologize for the both of us, then allow me speak for myself.
Will you stop being childish and allow the king to take a stand? Your Majesty, Biko, if I never have a Kamalaya Bunjimbela, Kaya si soya wesuteni. Makele beza getting wine on ya. Adiko jire awe miala. Please, in your infinite mercy, forgive them. Let peace reign, please.
Your 6 months window elapses in 2 months. You know what that means.
An apology was going on smoothly, but you wouldn't keep quiet. For once, Isabella, keep quiet.
What useless apology are you talking about? You were begging for yourself. It's our husband.
A simple thing. Keep quiet.
Are you saying my my husband? What is that supposed to mean? Is he your husband alone?
He is my husband.
Oh no, our husband.
You are a nobody. Get out.
One more word.
Get out with this thing.
One more word from you, I will send my thing, my goat, my handsome queen after you. Try me. Try me. Come here, boy.
Don't do that.
Come here, boy.
Don't do it.
Come here.
Don't
Come here, boy.
Don't do it.
Come here.
Isabella.
Come here.
Isabella.
Don't do it. Show her.
Don't do it.
Isabella. Show her. Show her. Show her how it's done. Show her. Show her. Show her how it's done. Come on, show you how it's done. That's my boy. That's my fucking boy. That's my boy. Come over here. You can talk, right? Take this out. Come over here. Let me show you. If you dare touch. I said it to your mouth. You are a man. You are mad. You are a mad. Come here. Let me show you how it's done. Come over here. Come here, boy. Come. You know what? All of you are fine. So you can't do a thing, right? You can't do a thing. I'm waiting for you. You're on fire. Come here. Come here. Are you scared? You are a coward. That's who you are. You are a coward.
She's back. And I wanted to squeeze her neck so tight.
Your Majesty, patient. Patient. Always remember that the patient dog eats the fattest bone.
It is time to execute the plan.
But I thought
wrong. I am ready to face Isabella face to face.
Your Majesty, you worry too much. Always remember that Agonabo is here for you.
I will never forget that.
Bibian, I have to take my leave because I have some herbs to get along as I go home. See you.
Can I sit?
Isabella, finally you've gotten that which you've always wanted. Like a snake you are, you slide into Udoye's room, did it with him, and this bastard is the result. It's okay. I understand your desperation. But very soon, just very soon, we will be singing his obituary.
Assumptions won't get us anywhere. So it's high time you grow up and realize that I love our husband earnestly and that we'll not do anything to jeopardize that.
What you love is his money, wealth, every good thing that belongs to him. I just want to promise you one thing. You will never reap where you did not sow.
Message well received. Excuse me.
Silly.
How dare you talk to me in that tone? So you now challenge my choice?
I do not support the continuous stay of Udoye in this house. My love, I foresee treachery and sabotage.
And who made you a judge of character?
I know exactly what I'm talking about. Look, you cannot keep the goat and the lion in the same barn and ask them to look after the yam. It's not done because they will definitely eat the yam and destroy themselves.
I've never seen that happen before, so just let me witness it myself. I've had enough of this. Leave my room.
Okay, fine. I will leave you. But I just hope it's never too late.
Can you excuse me?
I will leave you like you said.
Let me go get it in my Blue have nonsense analogy here, but in my plan. Do you know my plan?
Have you been crying?
No, there's something in my eyes.
You're good now.
Yeah, thank you.
See, Isabella, I always longed to be with you. But your irrationality and stubbornness keeps messing the whole thing up. Your mate just told me it doesn't seem like you're feeling okay.
I'm sorry, my king. It's my fault that we don't have a child yet. Maybe if I had used the opportunity, all the time I waste arguing and fighting to make love not happen, maybe by now that would be it. I'm sorry, please forgive me.
So, is it the time of the morning now, or you want me to withdraw?
If only he knew I'm trying to get rid of that witch.
I'm still waiting.
I hope you like it.
Yeah. Delicious.
Thank
This
you.
one you've been all excited. And if I may ask,
Why did you decide to make us lunch?
Probably because she wants to reintroduce her charm. Obviously, the first one has expired.
Far from that. Actually, today is the happiest day of my life. I've never been this happy in my entire life.
You mind to let the cat out of the bag?
Your Highness, my sweet lover, Udogum, Obago. Okay, I was at the hospital today and the doctor confirmed me pregnant.
What?
I am 2 weeks gone.
Wow!
My king!
No, please. Keep your opinions to yourself and hasten up to bear me a son just like she's doing, okay? My love.
Your Highness.
Why did you keep this away from me earlier?
I wanted to surprise you.
You know what? After this meal, we're going for a grand celebration.
Yes, Your Highness. What? Yes, and that's how wives do. That's how wives do. I'm so happy. Wife. Original wife.
Who would have thought that the rolling dice was going to hit the winning digits? Nothing like being rewarded for years of hard work. Isabella, I will beat you to your game. So you had your suspicions too, huh?
I don't know what you want me to tell you. I don't even know what you're talking about. I don't even know why you asked for us to meet here.
Is there something you know you're not telling me?
If I'm correct, my queen, your co-wife is pregnant. And you want to know if I'm responsible, right?
Let us leave this back and forth.
Something is not right somewhere. Is it possible that the king is impotent and the wives know about it? Could this be the reason they are always on each other's neck?
You know, I know you're responsible for that pregnancy. So, instead of telling the king, instead of telling my husband, the king, what I know, why don't you just get me pregnant? I just want to remain the queen of this kingdom. That's how, baby. Want you to want you?
I bet to take my leave, that's all. My queen.
My room. Tonight. Don't disappoint me.
Can I get some break? Many things running through my mind. I wish things get normal, but it keep getting worse. Ooh, can I have some peace in my heart? Cause I need to be happy. Oh, I'm confused. Oh, not knowing what to do. Cause things are getting worse every day. No peace, no harmony. I feel like running away. All I need is peace of mind. Peace of mind. I just wanna be happy. Wanna be happy. All I need is peace of mind. Peace of mind. I just wanna be happy.
Hello, doctor. Yes, I need some clarifications here. My latest wife is 3 weeks pregnant. I don't know how that can be since you and I know my condition. You know I cannot father a child because of the low sperm count. So how did this come about? I slept with her on the day she claimed she was ovulating. Yeah, but then I'm baffled. Thank you. Could this be the miracle I've been waiting for? Is this possible? That's...
Forever mine, to everlasting love that knows no limits. You are the best thing that has ever happened to me, and I will cherish you till my last days. If only the king is half a man that you are. If only.
It's time to reveal the gender of the baby. You can pop any balloon. It's a boy.
Indeed. Hey. Yes. Today is a great day.
Yeah.
Hey. Yeah. At the same time, I am proposing that this child will be a great child. This baby boy is going to be a great
What is it? Isabella, what is it?
No, what do you mean, what is it? Are you not seeing my face?
What's wrong with your face?
Is everything not wrong with this face? Is this face normal?
Is everything okay?
I don't know. I was trying out different clothes to wear. If I wear this one, it will not enter me. If I wear this one, it will not enter me. I don't know, something was just wrong with all the clothes. And then I went to the mirror to look at my face and I saw my face like this.
Not to worry, okay? Let me go get you your meat. Just sit down.
Is it my maid that got me pregnant? Oh, what is my maid going to do for me now?
You just hang on.
I want you to take care of me. Oh.
Let me come. I'm coming, okay? Can I pass?
I'm passing. I don't like this thing. I don't like this thing. I don't know why I even got pregnant in the first place. If I had known, I wouldn't have gotten pregnant. So better do and come back so I can get my steeds back. I don't like this nonsense. So I don't know what you're doing there. See, even my belly is big. Is it not time for you to come out? Instead, you're spoiling my face and my body.
Pregnancy comes with its own phase. You shouldn't get worked up because her body changed. This is the time she needs you the most.
What are you talking about? Have you been with a pregnant woman before?
Yes, Your Majesty. My ex-boss's wife has dealt with her a lot, even to the extent that she goes begging food from our neighbors.
That I can take. Not some bloated hippopotamus, some crazy, strange baboon. Do you know what it means to go to bed with a sexy pregnant woman and wake up to a total stranger?
Take it easy on yourself, Your Majesty. I mean, your wife might be going through a lot, more than what you think. Speak to her doctor. I'm sure there will be supplements that they can give her to help her situation.
There had better be. Makamuni 10 million man. Do I need to explain to you?
Yes, you have to explain to me. Am I the one that got myself pregnant? Please come and do me.
Listen to me. I think you should go to a mirror. Stand and watch your reflection. Then you'll get the answers you seek.
I don't understand what you're saying. No, this is not how you used to treat me. Oh, please, I want to do. I don't like this thing you're doing now.
See, you are disturbing the neighborhood. It's the middle of the night.
But you did not mind that time. You're doing me as my pastor. You did not mind the neighborhood. Oh. I want to push me down. They can't come out. No, I want to do. No, but I want to do. Come on, advertise me. My king, I want to do. I cannot even.
Again.
I want us to sit and talk.
Fine. Alright? I remember you wanted us to talk, but not now. I have somewhere important I need to go to.
More important than my present condition? Where is your humanity?
Issa, please, can you just stop this emotional blackmail? Stop it! We will talk about this. Not now. Just give me some more time. Are you about to rub it to my face that I'm not pregnant yet? Is that what you're trying to do? Girl, shift.
Let me make something very clear to you. I've been extending a hand of friendship to end this long-existing war between us.
I don't want that.
I can see you barely moved. So war it will be.
Are you done? Get out.
What is the matter? What is the matter? 'Cause everyone is fighting, fighting for the throne. Everyone is fighting, fighting for the throne. Every day is trouble, fighting one another just to be at the top. What will be will be. What will be will be. What will be will be. Adiachu anike. Adiachu anike. What will be will be. What will be. Adiachu anike. Adiachu anike. What will be will be.
Greetings, Your Majesty. Greetings.
Agunabo.
Yes, Your Majesty.
What is going on?
Your Majesty, all is not well.
Speak.
Your Majesty, with what the gods are telling me, I think your ship have holes.
How is that even possible? I did everything needed to be done. All of it. I mean, it couldn't be. Tell me, what can be done?
Your Majesty, abandon the ship. Do not try to sink with the ship. Do not try that. I need to take my leave now, Your Majesty.
Mamudoye, take it easy. Eh? Stop it. Stop working yourself up.
Onyeko, you won't understand. You won't understand.
My instinct is telling him that something is wrong somewhere. Something is wrong somewhere. Utoye is not back. And his number is not going through. I need to speak to my son. I need to talk to him. Can no one hear?
But you said he went to the palace.
Yes. He went to the palace. But that shouldn't take all day. Why you I'm so worried.
Who knows if he's busy with the well, Isabella.
I know my son. I know my son. That can't be. My son is in grave danger. He's in grave danger. Chukwu, protect my only son. My only son. Hi.
I see that this your son is your weakness. You are talking as if your son is a boy of yesterday.
He is, he's a boy.
He's coming back. Don't worry, he's coming back. Do you have rice? At least 2 cups. 2 cups of rice.
Why you need very wicked?
How wicked?
I'm talking of my son. You're talking of 2 cups of rice.
Forget
I don't have.
Your son is coming back.
I don't have.
Find me. Okay, 1 cup.
Go to your house.
I will know who will fight for you when our Wunyedis will start.
Go there. Stay back. Could you go first? Could you go to them? Beggy rice. And where Anna, your frog all the Nenu called if your rice. I brought some 2 cups. All my 2 grain. No shit. The frog all that can the food of 2 cups of rice.
Mama, just the package 1 or 2 for the one side like this.
You get them?
Yes, now. I want to see him now.
I tell you.
See him.
Send them to me.
Oh, sharp. You don't see him?
You don't come.
That kind of thing.
That's what legit. Oh my God.
Why do you need this information?
Get as my body they do me. Just they feel anyhow. They get this kind of premonition. Say Rachel is up to something. So I won't gather myself, prepare ahead of time to avoid any further damages.
You want cramp am?
You feel me?
That kind of thing.
You know, see the be now. My nigga.
My G.
You go hear from me.
I swear.
Normal level.
My take package. No matter. Look at you good. Everywhere good.
Can I get some break? Many things running through my mind. I wish things get normal, but it keep getting worse. Ooh, can I have some peace in my heart? Cause I need to be happy. Oh, I'm confused. Oh, not knowing what to do. Cause things are getting worse every day. No peace, no harmony. I feel like running away. All I need is peace of mind. Peace of mind.
Where were you? Been trying to get hold of you the whole day.
I was taking care of some oversight function.
And in which of my establishments were you taking care of the function?
Well, my lord, let's just say that the fact that I'm not yet with a child is giving me sleepless nights. It's raising more concern than I can ever imagine. So taking a walk in the wild actually helps a lot.
Do you have a hand in Isabella's present condition?
My lord, if what you're asking is if I got her pregnant, then I bet you know the answer to that.
Your Highness! Good. Your Highness, sorry to stop you, please.
What is it?
Queen Isabella has just been kidnapped.
What? Are you sure you're not the one who kidnapped my wife?
Your Highness, you have every reason to suspect me. Prosecute me if I'm found wanting. But the truth is that I wasn't with her. And you placed the responsibility of their welfare in my hands. But trust me, Your Highness, I was just getting some rest when I learned that she left. Please give me the necessary assistance to bring her back to safety. Please, Your Highness.
How? Okay, first things first. We need to find my wife, okay?
Aka is here. My queen! Shit, one is open.
If Aka is here, that means she's around here.
Yes, yes.
Okay, you go through that side, eh?
Okay.
While I go through there.
Alright.
Okay, let me know.
Alright. My queen! My queen!
Help! Somebody help me! Help! Help! Help!
My queen! Who did this to you? My goodness! Udaye! Udaye! She's over here! My queen, calm down. Udaye! Udaye! I found her here.
You're safe now. You, look there, check there. No, you're safe now. Sorry, can you move? Now, please. Who did this?
I don't know, but I think Rachel might be behind it.
Queen Rachel. Let me get you home first.
If only they know that I'm responsible for this.
You did what?
I did what I had to do. That woman was becoming nosy in trouble. What would you have me do? You placed so much pressure because you wanted a child, forgetting the fact that I have emotions. My love, what are you doing? I thought we were supposed to go for a function together.
Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you. There's been a change of plan. You know how it is with pregnant women. She insisted on going along with me. But not to worry. I promise to make it up to you another time.
Baby, I don't like this.
Trust me. Okay? I promise you. Yes, we're running late.
Hold me, my king.
Okay.
My king, you're expecting me to bring myself so low as kidnapping a pregnant woman, then you have something else coming. No, I will not be a stooge to Isabella just because she faked her own kidnap.
What do you mean? Anyway, why am I having this discussion with you? I am still king and I am alive. Why do you always like being a pain in the ass? I will have you remember that I can banish you from this kingdom for your constant misbehavior.
I am aware of that, my king.
I will have no further discussion on this.
No, my queen.
What's going on? How? When?
Welcome back, my queen. You are finally awake. My queen, you need to take a lot of water and get some rest. Okay?
Udoye, what happened? I know I remember coming back home and then I had my shower. The rest was blurry.
My queen, you have to be careful of your co-wife. You know, with your condition, anything can happen. And you can lose the baby. Okay? Thank the gods you're awake.
Cause things are getting worse every day. No peace, no harmony. I feel like running away. All I need is peace of mind. I just wanna be happy. All I need is peace of mind. I just wanna be happy. Can I get some break? Many things running through my mind. I wish things get normal, but it keep getting worse. Ooh, can I have some peace in my heart? Cause I need to be happy. Oh, I'm confused. Oh, not knowing what to do. Cause things are getting worse every day. No peace, no harmony. I feel like running away. All I need is peace of mind. Peace of mind. I just wanna be happy. Wanna be happy.
it would have taken you donkey of years for you to consider. How irrelevant I would have become.
I should stop this mad. The fact is that I'm married to the king. You and I cannot be together. How hard is it for you to understand? The king would definitely have your heart.
You know, if I were you, I would have saved myself this whole long term. As long as I, Eche, remains a married, you cannot belong to anyone else other than I. Do you understand?
Let me make it clear to you, Eche. There is no way in this world you and I can get together. You had your chance with me, but you chose to cheat on me with that good for nothing village nature. I'm so glad the king needed a child and decided to marry me.
Very cool one. Well, let me tell you something. He doesn't own you. And for the record, the king needs a child. And I need money. Are you pregnant? Give me money. Keep and retain the queenship. Boom.
Isabella, I will not stop you from taking your own destiny into your own hands. But one thing I will not let you do is shine brighter than me. Do you think so? I know the father of this cursed child. So if you think for a moment that I will allow you pin it on my husband, the king, then sweetheart, you should have something else in your sleeve.
Threat is your logo. But I, Isabella, will be the last to fall for your stupid antics. I am pregnant, and you're not. But let me tell you something very fast. This child has come to stay, and nothing you do or say will jeopardize that.
You see, in this life, you should be mindful of your words. Isa, I am thrilled by your weight, steeze, and composure. And I will be so glad to play this game of thanks to the hay later. So glad.
What will be? What will be? What will be? Adiachu Anika. Adiachu Anika. What will be? What will be? Adiachu Anika. Adiachu Anika. What will be? What will be? Adiachu Anika. Adiachu Anika. What will be? What will be? Adiachu Anika. What will be? What will be? What will be? Adiachu Anika. Adiachu Anika. What will be?
I should have known better.
I understand how you feel.
What about how you feel? I know I made you a promise. Unfortunately, I can't keep that promise right now. She is watching every of my move. There's nothing I can do.
Don't worry about me. I'll be fine. Okay? I'm not afraid of her or her threats. The only thing I'm afraid of now is losing you. I've grown to love you earnestly, and I'll do anything in my power to keep you safe. Alright? You'll be fine, okay? Mama, good evening.
Udoye, come back. Where have you been? Ebekiga.
I've been busy, Mama.
You've been busy. Meaning, Ebekis. Oh, Udoye. Where are you coming from?
Mama, I've been busy. Please, I don't have time for all this one, Mama. Please.
Look what Udoye. You're walking out of me. Oh, Udoye. Udoye. I'm the queen of work. Eh? This one I have this house. You want to spend for my time? Is that your plan? You want me to spend for my time? Give you service a person who will do it. Or not this one?
Mama, can you please give me a breathing space?
It's a breathing space.
Please.
I will not give you breathing space. Okay, they do. What is your problem? See, I will not do out of this house again. I won't want this to do not happen again. What is your problem?
Mama, don't forget I'm no longer a child. Do not forget I'm no longer a child. I was just trying to help the queen. Please.
You are only trying to help the queen. In case you police. Are you a police? Talk now.
Nemo, do not forget that I was once an officer in the Nigerian army. I mean, the opportunity presented itself for me to do my job. Mama, please, this one you're doing now is just unnecessary stress. And please, you don't have to do that. Okay?
Udoye, if for this house, you will not leave this house again. Okay, for this house, I'll say that I'm still a small boy. I'm Momologi.
Mama.
Udoye. Okay. Oh, you want to see me?
Here comes the most beautiful, gorgeous, sumptuous, succulent, elegant, beautiful baby of mine. If I like the case.
Actually, this is going to be this once. I don't want to be caught in between.
Once? Does anyone get pregnant once?
And who says I want to be pregnant? Let's get this done.
Damn. I love those
Oh, come on, Deborah. I don't believe you. Is either you're lying or your father is lying.
I'm not lying.
Okay, then your father is
No,
lying.
my father is not lying.
Then someone must be lying.
Okay, you stay right here. I'll be right back with enough evidence on my phone and enough receipt. Okay?
Oh, come on.
Wait, I'm coming. Please be careful.
Yes, I'm good. Thank you.
The doctor confirmed to me that I had low sperm count. Since then, I've been on medication, but there's not been any significant change. So I had to try another option to save the throne. When Uzo told me about the guy who came back to the village, I knew he was my best bet.
What is it? You were supposed to get your phone and show me something.
I heard him talking on the phone.
You heard who talking on the phone?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. I heard the king telling someone that he can't father a child. But, my queen, I'm a little confused. If the king can't father a child, who is the father of your unborn baby?
Joy! Joy!
Look, the deed is done, alright? Make sure you don't raise any suspicion to yourself. What do I do? Good. Leave your ears open. In the next few minutes, raise her alarm. We will all come out like nothing happened. Do you understand?
The money, when do I get it?
I will alert you when it's ready. For now, we will tell them that we met him like this. Before you know it, he is dead. Don't panic! Do you understand? Stay here with him. In the next few minutes, raise alarm. We will come out like nothing happened. Don't disappoint me. Look at me. Don't disappoint me. Okay?
Yes, yes, ma'am. My king. My king. My king.
Left him here. I left him with you. Where is he?
I went to say the alarm. He asked me to do. I'm coming back. He's not here.
Joy, I asked you to stay here with him. Where is he? The king believes. The king believes. He's not dead. Hey, Joy, you finished me. Hey. Where did he go? I told you to stay here with him. I told you. I told you.
I saw him.
Hello? Yes? You mean right now? Okay.
I know you all will be wondering why I called this gathering. I think it's long overdue. Anyways, I'll go straight to the point. You see, a couple of years ago, after I'd married Isabella and realized making babies was difficult for us, I went for a test. And I was diagnosed with low sperm count. I was devastated. But my father made me a suggestion. He asked that I get another wife to be double sure the diagnosis was correct. So I married Rachel here. Yet, the issue remains the same. At some point I felt guilty and wanted to open up to you. But realizing that the women I married had so very low IQ, I held back. And instead, I brought him Udoye here.
Yes, Your Highness.
I'm at the verge of losing my head. My household is on fire. And my wives are not intelligent enough to read through the lines. If the community finds out that I cannot father a child, it will be a huge shame and it will kill me.
Your Highness, what would you rather do?
I'm thinking maybe I should call them and tell them the truth. Whoever agrees to stay can adopt a child without letting anybody know.
Your Highness, I don't think that is a good idea. In my humble opinion, I would suggest that you bring in a neutral guy to impregnate your two wives without you even giving him any instruction to do so, so that you will save the king's ordeal and getting them pregnant in the name of the king.
I've always known every act portrayed by each and every one of you in this palace. Especially you, Rachel, and how you tried to kill me. Not knowing that Joy is a very strong loyalist of mine, as well as Jiku.
I am sorry. Okay? I am deeply sorry. I didn't know what I was thinking. I didn't know what I was doing. Please forgive me. And I'm not the only one who is at fault here. Isabella here has been sleeping with Udoye.
My love, I am sure you know this child is not yours.
Oh, please shut up and say what you know before the wrath of the gods fall on you. Pots calling kettle black. You think I do not know that you were having an affair with that chair here?
Isabella.
My king.
In whose name did you get pregnant?
In the name of the king.
By the power vested on me as the traditional Prime Minister Onowu of this kingdom, I hereby declare that this child in this womb belongs to the king. And Isabella, you are to relinquish your rights and duties as a queen and leave this palace 1 year after the child's birth. And you, Rachel, I hereby banish you from this kingdom.
My father!
Keep quiet. Out of the king's benevolence, nobody will arrest you. You are to leave this kingdom with immediate effect. As for you, Udoye, the king has pardoned your offense. You are to sign off the child's right to the king as according to our tradition. Any child birthed with a married woman while still married automatically belongs to the man. And you, Rachel, you are to leave this palace and this kingdom and never to return. I have spoken, Your Highness.
My love, my husband, my everything. You know I love you, right? You can do this to me. Okay, I am sorry. Please forgive me. I beg you, you can't just banish me. You can... Daddy, please. Take back your words. You can't do this to your child. This is injustice, alright? This is not fair. This is injustice. This is injustice.
Your Highness, I know you can still change your mind. Please let me stay and take care of the child. Has anything you want? I can be a nanny, a wife, ex-wife, whatever you want me to be. Please, let me stay and take care of the child. I know you loved me because of my tomboy. You like the way I give it to you, Ratmata's way. Please let me stay. I will give it to you any way you want. I can stay and have a child with anybody, whosoever you choose, in the name of the king. The king.
Things are getting worse every day. No peace, no harmony. I feel like running away. All I need is peace of mind. I just wanna be happy. All I need is peace of mind. I just wanna be happy. Can I get some break? Many things running through my mind. I wish things get normal.